In this video, I'm gonna show you how to transform this shader into this one. So watch this video till the end and subscribe. In short, let me describe. We have two programming languages. This index file which I showed you, this one site I made with the help of all of this code. With the help of just two programming languages, this is CSS and just HTML, and with the help of point of view, like this kind of beautiful site, man, just with the help of two programming languages. In HTML we build all of the construction. There is text, buttons, there is picture, and there is header. All of this construction skeleton is built on HTML. Right here, for example, there is text, there is a lot of text, how you can see the Wikipedia. There in the second place, like let me make like that, you can see the banner. All of this CSS. We make a style for header. Let me show here. We make a style for header. We make a style for links. This is a links, this is not buttons. Press them, you can go to another page. Press home, you can go to the home page, of course. So let me show in a practice how to do it. So go to your PC, create here a folder. For example, Sanjar Productions first tutorial. For example, take this folder and go to the VS Code like that and like that. Go to your created folder, press this icon and type here index.html, excuse me, like that and like that. Let me close this. Press here shift 1. This thing, I don't know how it's writing comments. Press enter and your skillet is built on. Press this icon again and type here style.css. All this thing which gonna make your style is beautiful. After that, here in a file, find here autosave. Press here. It was pressed, so now I off it. So press again, file autosave. Go to your working space. Open this folder. How you can see, there is two folders. I mean documents which we have created in a VS Code. But same thing, you can see your folder too here. Open your document, just press on it like that, and the result. You can see there what there is right Sanjar Productions, I mean SP, and there write a document. How you can fix it? Enter to your VS Code and correct here, write in a title whatever you want. For example, YouTube, and the result. After save is on, so just update your website, and how you can see there's right YouTube. Again, enter to your VS Code because we should link like that, link our CSS and HTML. We have a HTML document. HTML don't know that we have a CSS document. Control probel, right here, just style CSS, style.css. Let's write here something else. Shift enter, you can make the same thing which I made now. For example, right here h1, shift enter and write, for example, site for Sanjar Productions. What is Sanjar Productions? What is Sanjar Productions? Make like that. Enter to your CSS. Let's make like that. Right here h1, like that, and right here, for example, this color aqua, for example. Enter to your Google Chrome and update your site. Let's again open it. I don't think that is some kind of site, it's just nothing. Let's make it a little bit better. For example, Google Fonts, google.com, like that. For example, Roboto. Let's choose something better. Medium. Choose this one and copy this code. Control C. Get to your VS Code. Here you should pass on your header this one code. Alt Z in order to make like that. As you can see, let's make it a little bit right and again right. It's perfect. We write here style for h1. Let's write the style for all of our site. Which gonna work, for example, from start, from header, like this one header, continuing here and here and here. Let's enter the VS Code and write here body partitions, like that, and copy this code which was here on family Roboto Sans. Copy all of them. Control C and paste here into our website. and how you can see our font and code works. Congratulations. So let's continue and write something more than just header. For example, if you wanna write a lot of text in one place like a paragraph, we use tag a paragraph. Actually, more about HTML and CSS you can know from link in below, because I made a playlist HTML course for everyone and beginners. Let's come back to our video. P tag, just write P and choose here P, enter, and VS Code make all of this instead of you. And here write lorem and number, how many phrases you wanna, words I mean, for example 10 or 100. Let's enter to our website I mean, and how you can see it's actually nice. What else we have on our site apart from the text? We have buttons, we have links, and we have images. For example, images, write it and just choose. SRC, you should here press Ctrl plus Probel. Not that actually. Alright. Why when I press Ctrl plus Probel I find nothing apart from my CSS, which is here actually? Because here in my folder Sanjar Productions, in which I am working now, I don't have any kind of image and any kind of file apart from my style and index file. I should find somewhere photo. Let's open my PC. On my downloads, I think I have After Effects PNG photo. Let's put it here and go again to the VS Code. On SRC, Ctrl plus Probel, and how you can see, you find my image. Again, enter to your browser, update, and it's beautiful. It works. Alright guys, the final steps which can make your site looks better. Into the VS Code, how you can see I write a tag and write here link names. For example, I write between these two tags and this a random words into your browser, and how you can see here we have links. If we were gonna press it goes to the fontsgoogle.com, because here it is linked to the fontsgoogle.com. And the final steps with the help of CSS, which can really make and upskill your site. All of this we're gonna write for body, text, align, center, in order to make the content in center. And how you can see it looks much better. Let's change our color, duplicate the same color, this code, and write here same thing for P paragraph, parentheses, and just paste. Here write background color 000, a little bit brighter like that. Let's enter to our site, and how you can see it looks much better. Let's make it a little bit better. Write the same thing for your links. It was a parentheses, and write color is the same thing. Write text decoration none, into your website, and man, look at that, it's much better, actually better. Let's write here something normal. Example, Adobe main site, and this we're gonna count with a control slash like that into your website, update him, and how you can see it looks much better. Adobe main site. Let's make our link or work with our link a little bit. What we should do, we should understand that it is link, that's not text like that, which we couldn't push and go somewhere. And here to us gonna help this kind of thing like hover, parentheses again, and enter hover, and write here whatever you want. Actually, let's again work with the color. I think let's make like that again, like that. It's random on the colors. In real life I'm gonna choose better colors, believe me, just believe me, trust me. And how you can see it looks better. Guys, in this video you make this kind of magic. You open your first site in your browser, you make your first header, description text. For example, it's your product site. Guys, it just worth your subscription and like for this video. Bye bye.